How to change Cash App bank accounts. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change your bank account on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change your Cash App's bank account, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and launch the Cash App on your phone. Once you launch the Cash App on your phone, you're going to see this type of interface where you have to just tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the top right hand side, you just want to actually scroll down to the bottom. Here you'll find a section where it says linked banks, so you want to make sure to tap on it. Once you tap the option called linked banks, right over there you'll find a section where it says linked debit card, so you want to make sure to tap on the linked debit card option. Now right over here, all you need to do is, if you have not yet linked a bank account, you'll most likely find those bank accounts here, and if you tap in the bank account, you'll find the option to either remove the bank account or to change the bank account. So you want to make sure to tap the change bank account option, enter the new bank account details, log into your online banking, and you should be able to log in successfully. And that's it on how you can change the Cash App's bank account. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.